I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where Windows Update gets stuck on a random percent. So the first thing we're going to do is head on down to the search bar at the bottom and type in services and then click on services. With this window now open, scroll all the way to the bottom until you locate Windows Update and then give that a double click. From here, as it says startup type, click and then select automatic, and then also click start if the service has been stopped, and then click apply and OK. Close out of that and navigate to the search bar again and type in troubleshoot setting. With this now open, select other troubleshooters. Then nearest at the top, you should see Windows Update and then just click run. With this window now open, navigate to where it says I can't download, install, or uninstall an update, and then click that. Below this, you'll see an option asking, can we run the Windows Update automated diagnostic? And you just want to select yes, and then give it a few moments to see if it can find the problem. So I've already fixed my issue. So as you can see, it says no issue detected, but for you, hopefully it has highlighted an issue. And then all you need to do is just confirm that you wanted to fix the problem. And then once it's done that, restart your PC and your Windows Update should no longer get stuck. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.